Hello everyone. Till now, we had seen many problems on compound interest, and we might have noticed every time when we compound the initial value, it gets appreciated, means it gets increased. So we can also say compounding can be related to appreciation. Opposite of appreciation will be your depreciation. This particular question number 12 is a problem related to depreciation. So if I want to find the depreciated value of an asset, we can call it as DV. That will be initial cost. It is very similar to initial capital, whatever we had seen in compound interest, times 1 minus here it is, because it is value is getting reduced, not 1 plus, it is 1 minus of the depreciation rate. Instead of appreciation rate or interest rate, here it is depreciation rate to the power of number of years, right? Here IC is the initial cost of the asset. And our I is depreciation rate per annum. And N is same only, number of years. Very similar to compound interest. Okay. Now, a machine is depreciated at 20% on reducing balance. So here I is given as 20% or 0.2 per annum. On reducing balance basis means every time it is calculated, the depreciation is calculated on the reduced value of the asset. The original cost is nothing but your initial cost, that is given as 1 lakh in the question, and its ultimate scrap value. Scrap value is nothing but your depreciated value, that is given as 30,000. So at 30,000, when they say scrap value, that means they cannot use that machinery or that particular asset or the machine. Basically, they will not be able to use it. They can only dispose it off as a scrap. Now we have to find the effective life of machine, which is nothing but N value. N is our effective life. So we can now substitute the depreciation value is given as 30,000 is equal to initial cost, which is 1 lakh, times 1 minus 0.2 times, 0.2 power n. Or we can rewrite this as 30,000 by 1 lakh is equal to 0.8 to the power of n, or 30,000 by 1 lakh is 0.3. 0.3 is 0.8 to the power of n. Again, taking logarithm on both sides, log of 0.3 is n times log of 0.8, means our n will be logarithm of 0.3 by logarithm of 0.8. Let us calculate these two logarithms. Check the log values of this. 0.3's logarithm value is negative 0.5229, and 0.8's logarithm value is negative 0.0969. Negative, negative, it becomes positive. I can cancel it. So 0.5229 divided by 0.0969, we get 5.3963 years, or approximately 5.4 years. Means the asset or the machinery will reach its scrap value in 5.4 years. That is the solution for this particular problem. case if you find the contents of this video to be useful to you, I request you to please like it, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.